Activities to be performed during internal testing work. Identify the area where internal testing is to be started. Identify and select manpower and material or tools required for carrying internal testing job. Pipe wrench, slide wrench, foot pump with pressure gauge arrangement, soap solution, spare fittings, anaconda, rubber tube, meter, etc. Survey the houses for internal testing job. Identify the activities which are to be executed as per prescribed formats, SAP and ISO formats. Ensure the presence of all necessary safety equipment for safe work practice and obtain necessary work permit from the control room. Inform the customer about the time and date of the visit. Also, briefly explain the job to be carried out and any related safety precautions to the customer. Before beginning the job, inform the customer about temporary shutdown of gas. Close the isolation valve at the upstream of the meter. Close the appliance valve at the downstream of the meter. Unclamp and remove the rubber tube from the appliance valve end and ensure that the appliance valve is not passing gas in closed position. Vent the gas from the appliance valve end by slowly opening the appliance valve after ensuring ventilation in the kitchen. Now, ensure that the isolation valve before meter is not passing gas in closed position. After the gas in the pipe after meter is vented completely, connect the hose pipe end of the foot pump to the appliance valve and pressurize the pipe with air up to 100 millibar. Close the isolation valve at the foot pump in order to pack the gas pipeline with air pressure. Observe pressure reading in the gauge for about 10 minutes for any pressure drop. In case any pressure drop is observed, check all the joints, meter, meter downstream, anaconda, etc. and pipeline after the isolation valve thoroughly with soap solution to identify the point of leakage and rectify the same after depressurizing the pipe. After rectification, recheck using pressure gauge and soap solution. When no pressure drop is observed, reassemble the gas pipeline connection. Recheck all joints, anaconda, etc. with soap solution and rectify any leakage due to improper reassembling. Carry out a visual inspection of the rubber tube and replace the same if the condition is not okay. After reassembly, put the meter under operation by turning on, lighting the gas stove at minimum flame. Observe the meter for successful working by ensuring that the meter index is moving when in use. In case the meter is found to be not working at minimum flame, it may need replacement. After the meter has been checked, turn off the stove and appliance valve and inform the customer about reconnection. Review any pending jobs as per prescribed SAP and ISO formats. Fill the internal testing card and record data according to the prescribed ISO format. Ventilation size and type, meter number and number of joints should be thoroughly checked before recording the same in the formats. Any change in meter number observed from our records must be corrected in the system in coordination with marketing. Record any feedback from the customer and take the customer's signature before leaving the premises. Upload the internal testing data in SAP regularly as per procedure. Important note: running connections that are technically not feasible, TNF, or have concealed piping should regularly be forwarded to marketing department for further action after completion of each area.